now from South Seminole Academy in Castleberry, Florida. Direct from the third floor of building number 3. This is South Seminole News.
Good evening, parents and families. Welcome to Open House 2019 at South Seminole Academy. I'm Michaela.
And I'm Chloe. You currently should be in your first period class. And now at this time, we'd like to introduce our school administrators.
Hello, Hurricane families. My name is Amelia from South Seminole News. I would like to introduce you to our principal, Dr. Coleman Baker, who is starting her 8th year as our principal. She believes that every student at SSA has gifts and talents just waiting to be unleashed. One unique fact about her is that she was previously a biological scientist at the University of Florida, where she conducted pharmaceutical and behavioral experimental research on albino rats.
Yes, I did. All right, thank you so much for that lovely introduction. And welcome, Hurricane families. My goal for the 1920 school year is that every Hurricane can find their passions and release them throughout our school and find their voice. We're looking forward to a great year. And don't forget to storm!
Hello, this is Kylie from South Seminole News. This is one of our assistant principals, Ms. Harshafi. She oversees the ELA and ESOL reading, civics, and ESE departments. One unique fact about her is English is not her first language. She moved to the U.S. when she was 13 years old.
Yeah, so parents and students, thank you so much for coming. Welcome to South Seminole Academy. We are so excited that you are here and hope you have a wonderful evening, and don't forget to storm.
Hello, my name is Javier from South Seminole News. This is one of our assistant principals, Ms. Reed. She is the administrator for our elective department. She is also over PBS and MTSS. She works with the PTSA and our community business partners. One unique fact about Ms. Reed is that she is from the beautiful island of the Bahamas.
Hello, parents, students, and guardians. I am so excited that you made it here tonight for our open house. We look forward to sharing the many amazing things that we're doing at South Seminole Academy. This session has now adjourned.
Hello, this is Richie from South Seminole News. This is one of our assistant principals, Mr. Mertz. He oversees the math and science department along with 6th and 8th grade social studies. Mr. Mertz is from the great state of Pennsylvania and has been involved with sports through playing, training, and coaching in basketball, football, and baseball for 30 years.
Hi parents, welcome to South Seminole Academy. We thank you for coming out for open house, and we hope you really enjoy your experience tonight.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenna from South Seminole News. This is Miss Mafuz. She is our school administration manager. She is over faculties, parent involvement, and Title I. She also is in charge of discipline in regards to dress code, tardies, and skipping. One unique fact about her is that she loves extreme sports such as rappelling, river rafting, and mountain ziplining from over 4,700 feet in the air.
Hi everyone, this is Janice Mafuz. If you ever need to reach me, you can call me at 407-746-1302. Thank you and welcome to our open house.
Hi, I'm Amber Pearson, the Dean of Students at South Seminole Middle. This is my first year as Dean, but before that I taught here for 7 years.
And my name is Mr. Fernandez. I'm also a Dean here at South Seminole Academy, and this is my 8th year at South Seminole Academy, and I'd like to welcome all parents and students to the 2019-2020 school year, as well as our open house this evening. Thank you for coming.
Thank you to our reporters and administration.
Stay tuned as we share different aspects of our school at the beginning of each period.
We'll see you again soon.
Hi, I'm Alanis.
Hi, I'm Eleanor.
And welcome to Mr. Robertson's Law Studies class. Today we are researching legal vocabulary terms and stating them in our own words.
Tomorrow we will be doing conflict resolution statements. And we also, in this class, are reenacting court cases like Dudley and Stevens.
Students in the iJourney course explore their interests, strengths, and occupation possibilities. They create a digital portfolio and attempt to earn the Living Online Digital Tools certificate. In iChallenge, students will learn coding basics and create their own games. Students can also learn the Gaming Essentials Digital Tools certificate. Students in the iConnect blended course learn technology applications and computer hardware and software. Students can learn 2 digital tools certificates, which are key applications and computer fundamentals. As you can see, students in our I-Series classes are very busy preparing for their future.
Hi, my name is Danielle. This is Leaders for Life, one of the elective class, and we're working on paradigms. We have to pick something that is important to us, something that makes us us, something that we like to do, and something we can change that makes us better.
So what we're doing is we are explaining what our paradigm is, and we're answering questions like what we love, what is important to us, what has changed us, and what have we been through, and a quote that is really meaningful to us. And that's what we're working on right now.
Here are our WIG boards. WIG stands for Widely Important Goals. Our first WIG has to do with our academics. 100% of the students will achieve 1 year's growth on the FSA reading by May 2020. 100% of the students will achieve 1 year's growth on the FSA math by May 2020. Our second WIG has to do with cultural. 75% of our students will have fewer than 10 absences by May 2020. As you can see, August, we have already accomplished this goal. Our third WIG is leadership. 100% of students and faculty will participate on an action team by May 2020. And that data will be coming soon. Together we can accomplish all of our goals.
Today I'm going to show you my leadership notebook. So, in your leadership notebook, you basically track everything you do, and when you track everything you do, when the teachers tell you to go in the notebook and track your iReady scores or track the things you did in class, that's what you go to your leadership notebook to do.
Hello, PBS is our positive behavior support system. PBS is designed so that all students develop and learn social, emotional, and behavior skills while supporting our academic engagement. At the same time, our teachers develop positive and safe environments that promote strong relationships with us through teaching, modeling, and encouragement. At South Seminole Academy, one way to promote PBS is through our token economy system, where we have the opportunity to earn Stormbucks. Stormbucks can be used to purchase items from the PBS store, have a party in the PBS suite, or attend an event at the SSA. For examples, Fall Festival, Movie Night, Spring Fling, and the list goes on. PBS and our bank, PBS Financials, are both connected to encourage us to engage in positive behavior as well as become more financially literate.
PBS Financial is our school banking system, which is designed to help us understand how money works in the world.
Everyone knows that money doesn't buy happiness, but understanding finances is key to achieving success, whether it is purchasing a home, saving for emergencies, or becoming financial independent. Parents and guardians, we love you, but we do not want to have to live with you forever.
Our positive behavior support system allows us to earn Stormbucks for demonstrating STORM expectations. These are strive for success, take responsibility, opt to lead, respect others, and make good choices.
When we are caught displaying any of these expectations, teachers and staff members can reward us by giving us Stormbucks. Students can deposit or redeem Stormbucks on their phone, computer, or laptop. Stormbucks can be used at the SSA for many different things, such as purchasing items at our school store and paying for entrances to various school events.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to South Seminole News. My name is Trevor, and I am a member of the South Seminole News crew here at South Seminole Academy. Today, we want to tell you about the dress code for the school year. Sitting with me is Mr. Mouse, who is our news director here at SSN. Hello, Mr. Mouse.
Hello, Trevor. Thank you very much. How you doing, Trevor? Everything
Good.
going well?
Yeah.
Good? Everything's good at home?
Mhm.
School's been good this year? Okay,
Yeah.
good. Well, the reason we're here is I didn't wear my glasses, Trevor, so I don't know what those words say, so I'm just going to talk to you. We're here to say hello to parents. Welcome to Open House. We wanted to give you an idea of what to expect for the rules for the uniform this year. Now, as an example, Trevor is wearing what you're allowed to wear on Fridays, which is a South Seminole Academy t-shirt and shorts or blue jeans on those days. Now, we have some other examples as well. If you look over here to our other camera, now an example of a Monday through Friday outfit would be what Nee is wearing. Say hello, Nee. Wave to the camera. Nee is wearing her polo shirt. We are allowed to wear red, white, or black polo shirts on Monday through Friday with a skirt or with khaki pants or black pants or shorts. And that's an example of what our normal Monday through Friday uniform is. Now, Amelia over here, say hello, Amelia.
Hello.
Amelia is wearing a sports shirt. You're allowed to wear a sports shirt for a team that you follow, you represent, that you stand by. You're wearing these Silverhawk shirts from Lake Howell High School?
Yes.
Silverhawks Lake Howell shirt, that's perfectly acceptable for us. She's wearing jeans. Once again, she can do that only on Fridays. And she's got on her team shirt. That's good. Thank you very much, guys. Trevor, you want to say anything else to sign us off?
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and look for us on our YouTube page at South Seminole News. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, there are a number of ways for you to get involved and stay connected with our school. Please connect through any of the following: the South Seminole Academy website, www.ssms.scps.k12.fl.us, Instagram.com/South Seminole Academy, Facebook.com/South Seminole Academy, Twitter.com/South Seminole 21. You may also read our Lead 21 newsletter sent out every Friday via email and text. If you are not receiving it, please make sure your email address is updated in Skyward and that do not have SSA blocked. Parents, you may also join our PTSA, which meets the second Monday of each month at 6:15, or join our School Advisory Council, which meet the second Tuesday of each month at 5 o'clock. Both of these organizations meet in the SSA front office. Thank you.
As we conclude our open house for the evening, we wish to remind you to stay connected to us online and in person throughout the 2019-2020 school year.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Michaela. Have a great evening and don't forget to storm!